Hello everyone, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this video, we are going to see the type 3 of higher order differential equation, that is x equal to x raised to m. In general, our higher order differential equation is given by f of d into y equal to x. In this case, x is nothing but x raised to m, okay, where m is some constant. The solution of this equation will be given by y equal to yc plus yp, and we know that yc remains the same for any type of problem. In this case, our general yp is given by 1 upon fd into x, where x is nothing but x raised to m. In type 3, we represent f of d, which is this part, which is a polynomial in d. We represent f of d such that it is 1 plus some another function of I of d, the whole raised to n. When we substitute here, we will get yp as 1 upon 1 plus phi d, the whole raised to n, and instead of x, we are going to write x raised to m. Then we will take this denominator in the numerator, so it will become 1 plus phi d, the whole raised to minus n, into x raised to m. So now what we are going to do, to find the yp, we will expand this by using a binomial expansion. In binomial expansion, we will get the terms 1 plus d square plus d cube and x raised to m, and so on. We will expand this function of d till it matches with the power of m. Let's say our m is 3, that is, this will be x cube. So we will expand the terms of d till d cube only. This will be more clear when we see the problem on this. So this is how we calculate yp in type 3. We will revise what is a binomial expansion. Binomial expansion is nothing but if we have 1 plus x the whole raised to minus 1, what is the expansion of this? Remember, whenever there is 1 plus something, in this case it is 1 plus x the whole raised to minus 1. So our binomial expansion will have terms positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, okay, and so on. The shortcut way to remember is whenever there is a plus in the bracket and it is whole raised to minus 1, minus into plus is minus, so it will be alternate plus minus plus minus. First term will always be 1, then it will be x, then we multiply by x square, then x cube, x raised to 4. That is, power of x goes on increasing as the number of terms increases. So this is the basic expansion, which can be written as 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus x raised to 4 minus x raised to 5, and so on. If you observe, all the even powers have the positive sign. Okay, you can remember in this way also. Then we have 1 minus x the whole raised to minus 1. In this case, all the terms will be positive. Okay, because minus and minus will become plus. It's just a simple way to remember. So it will be plus 1, then x square, then x cube, and so on. So this will be nothing but 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4, and so on. So this is the basic binomial expansion of 1 minus x the whole raised to minus 1. Then we have the binomial expansion of 1 plus x the whole raised to minus 2. Mine, it is minus 2. So in the power it is minus 2. So plus into minus is nothing but it indicates that terms will be alternate positive and negative. The first term will be 1. The second term was used to be x. Now it is minus 2, so it will be multiplied by 2. Then it will be 3x square, then 4x cube, then 5x raised to 4, and so on. It's just that our coefficient also, here it was 1, then it becomes 2, then it becomes 3, then it becomes 4, okay, and the power of x also goes on increasing. So this is nothing but 1 minus 2x plus 3x square minus 4x cube plus 5x raised to 4, and so on. Okay, so in this case you can remember this. The first term is 1, the second term is 2, third term is 3, fourth term is 4. Since it is a plus and minus, so it alternate plus and minus, and the power of x keeps on increasing. Similarly, we have 1 minus x the whole raised to minus 2. So all the terms will be positive. So it will be 1, 2x, 3x square, 4x cube, and so on. So 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube. So if you remember any one of this series, one series will be all positive, another series will be alternate positive and negative. In general, the binomial expansion is given by 1 plus x the whole raised to minus n is nothing but the first term is always positive and it is 1. Then we have x, then we have term of x square, then we have term of x cube, and so on. Since it is 1 plus, so it will be alternate positive and negative. Okay, since it is the whole raised to n, the second term will be multiplied by n, the third term will be multiplied by n plus 1 upon 1 into 2. Third term will be multiplied by n plus 1 into n plus 2 upon 1 into 2 into 3. So to remember this, first term is always 1, second term is multiplied by the power, that is n. After that we multiply by n and we keep adding 1. So n into n plus 1. After this we multiply by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. After this we will multiply by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3. Okay. So after that we divide by number of terms. That is, here we have 2 terms, so 1 into 2. Here we have 3 terms, so 1 into 2 into 3. So here will be 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 and so on. So in this way you can remember this series. Then we have 1 minus x the whole raised to minus n. The expansion will remain the same, but in this all terms will be positive. So you just have to remember any one series out of these two, and in one series all the terms will be positive, in other series alternate terms are positive and negative. So this is the basic binomial expansion. This will be more clear when we see the problem on type 3. So the problem on type 3 we will see in our next video, so stay tuned for our future lectures.